Hello, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is going to be like what magical things are coming your way. That is going to be the reading for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings also, so whenever you watch, this reading might have a message for you guys. Okay, so I have three groups over here, so you can select one. Okay, so for group number one, I have this the Sacred Forest Oracle and Selenite Crystal. So this is how the cards look. Sacred Forest Oracle for group number one. Okay, you can go by the cards. And we have the Selenite Crystal. For group number two, we have the Amethyst Crystal and the Mystical Wisdom Oracle cards. So yeah, these are some of the images. Sorry. Okay. For group number two. And for group number three, we have this Lapis Lazuli Crystal and Angels and Ancestors Oracle deck for group number three. Okay, so this is how maybe, okay, so this is for group number three. So close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, call upon your archangels, ancestors, and then select a oracle cards or a crystal that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so take your time. If you need more time, pause the video. Okay, so the timestamps will be listed in the description box. So yeah, I'm gonna start with group number one. Hello my lovely, so let's see if you have chosen this Selenite Crystal and the Sacred Forest Oracle cards, then let's see what is your message, what magical things are coming your way. So for group number group number one. So what magical things are coming for my group number one people? Let's see. Okay, wow, the first card is success. Interesting. Secret Spring. So this is your card, the first card. Wow. So yeah, there is a lot of success happening for you guys. So let's see. Okay, I'm feeling like spring season is going to be very important for you guys. So whenever you watch, the spring season is going to be very important for you guys. And like spring is all about like new flowers are blooming. It's so colorful, isn't it? So I feel like life is going to be colorful for you guys. So keep on sailing the boat, keep on going where you're going. So sometimes there will be questions like what I'm doing, where is this going. We ask a lot of questions. Sometimes we feel like, oh my god, what is happening. You feel like a void also, like you feel like you're entering an unknown phase and you don't know where your life is going. So don't stress too much, don't worry too much, because there is light, there is so much light around you guys, I feel like. Okay, so yes, success is assured for you guys, whether it's in a relationship, whether it's in your career, or if you're trying to change something in yourself, if you're trying to transform your body, if you're trying to develop your character, whatever you're doing, it's going to work for you guys. So slowly but surely things are moving ahead. And I feel this fairy energy is all about like playful energy, right? They're very playful. So maybe for some of you, you need to put some play into your life, maybe do something that actually warms your heart. Maybe for some of you, I feel like you like to play video games, but you feel like it's such a non-productive thing to do. Maybe for some of you, you need to do that for some time. Maybe you used to play a lot, but now you're like forcing yourself not to play. Yeah, don't waste too much time on that. Sometimes people just do only that. But maybe for some of you, I feel like maybe a 1 hour video games will be very good for your health. You will feel very relaxed, you will feel very joyful. So something like that. Maybe for some of you have you're like, no, I don't want to play anymore, I'm not a kid anymore. Maybe you think like that, or whatever, I don't know. But definitely I feel this, like your fairies are like, just play some games. If it makes you happy, do that. Okay, I don't know why something related to video games. Maybe you're stopping yourself from not playing, and it's a message like play. Okay, your work is not going to be interrupted because of a game, small game. You will, I feel for many of you will be recharged after you play a game. You will have that energy to do your work. So maybe you're studying and you feel like you don't have you shouldn't do that, or maybe you're stopping yourself. So I feel for some of you it's like a half an hour time, maybe you will be able to recharge yourself. Okay, that's coming. So maybe that's the thing. Okay. Yeah, there is lot of learning happening for you guys. Maybe for some of you, you're very interested in fairies. Maybe you want to dig deep, maybe you want to research about them, maybe you want to research into esoteric knowledge. If that is the case, go for it, research. And we have this crescent moon also here, so new beginnings are what is coming for you guys. New way of living, new way of living, new way of thinking. So I feel for many of you, you are tapping into your own magic. That is something I feel. Maybe you are doing some rituals also. Maybe you're planning to work with this moon phases. If that is the case, go for it. That is going to be very beneficial for you guys. Okay, so learn about it. Maybe just gather some information and do the rituals. Okay. Yeah, get in touch with your emotions. That is something I feel your intuition is saying quite a lot for you, a lot, but maybe you're not listening to it. So for some of you, you need to get in touch with your emotions. Okay, and we have the name, secret spring. So with the secret also, a lot of secret knowledge you're getting a lot of truth is revealed to you guys, how to do things. Like when you get in touch with your intuition, you know the answers, and you know how to do things, and you understand that if you play 1 hour video game, nothing is going to go wrong. Okay, you can use your time wisely. I'm not saying that you have to play completely that only. Sometimes people, once we start, we just do that only. So don't do that. But in case if you're feeling like, just don't stop yourself. Okay, so maybe you want to be, maybe this video game will make you happy, so that's why your message is like this. Okay, and we have this boat, go with the flow. That is also I'm feeling. So I feel there is a lot you will uncover in the future. So a lot of magical things about yourself you're going to uncover in the future that you haven't yet. Maybe you are understanding the concept of manifestation, so you're learning a lot. So maybe for some of you are just reading books and you're not applying into your life. So this is so instead of reading a lot of books, maybe you need to read one book and apply that into your life. That's the time when you will see the changes. So sometimes people learn a lot, read a lot, but they don't apply. So there is no use if you don't apply it to your own life. Okay, so you need to apply it more. Okay, so that is the message for you guys. So let's see what else for group number 1. What is the magical things coming for my group number 1? Okay. Love makes the difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provide a sense of security and self-worth. So with this video games, that is also what I feel like. Maybe you need to do something that makes your heart warm and that makes you happy. You need to, for some of you, I feel like you're trying your best. You're trying to show people that you're worthy, like you're trying to prove something to someone. No, you don't have to do it. Okay, there have been a problem where people might have told that you will not be able to do things, that you are not worthy, you know, some sort of you have this insecurity where you feel like you have to prove to other people. No, you don't have to prove it to anyone. That is something Spirit is saying right now. You don't have to prove it to anyone. Only the thing you have to do right now is to love yourself, take care of yourself, do something that makes you happy. You don't have to be in this stressful energy thinking what others will think about me if I take one day break, or what others will think. Maybe others will think that I'm not worthy. Maybe you're putting too much into, you know, you're thinking what others will think a lot. Maybe that is the case, and that's where you need to make that change. I feel this is all about self-love, taking care of yourself. Um, maybe maybe you like to dress a particular way, and you feel like you have to go with the trends, and you have to wear this dress. You don't have to do it. You just wear what you like, what you love. Just wear the dress that you're comfortable in. Don't wear something that you feel uncomfortable in. Don't do it for other people. You don't have to impress anyone. Okay, you don't have to do it. Okay, I just feel like saying that you don't have, because you're worthy the way you are, you're beautiful the way you are, you're unique the way you are. Okay, so love will make, if you start loving yourself, it will be a very, it will make such a difference in your life. Okay, so focus on self-love and self-worth. Yeah, sometimes we will be around the people who will not, you know, sometimes our parents don't understand that. Sometimes our friends don't understand. Yeah, it's okay, because it's their perception. But you need to be strong, you need to love yourself, and when you love yourself, you will see that change in your life. When you will take care of yourself, when you will fill your glass first, you will understand that life is so magical. Okay, so love is the highest frequency. So when you love yourself, you will be able to love other people also. When we don't love ourselves, we'll never be able to love others, because I feel that I've gone through, you know, when we don't love ourselves, what happens is, at that time we try to become others, we try to compare ourselves to other people, we get this jealousy, envy energy, right? We envy other people, we are jealous of other people when we don't love ourselves. But when we love ourselves, when we are satisfied in ourselves, when we are happy with ourselves, when we feel worthy, that is when the difference happens. Okay, so because that is why love is very important in our life, right? And I feel like divine is also with you, he loves you. I feel with this music also, music, listen to music, good music, it heals you, it heals you. Listen to the music that you love. Okay, I am getting, have an opinion, express yourself. So maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you don't express yourself that much. If someone says, yeah, you do this, okay, I'll do this. No, you don't say no. Maybe you don't say no, like I will do it. You say always yes. So maybe sometimes you need to take care of yourself and you need to say no. Okay, I feel like you're growing. Your self-worth is growing. You're developing your character. That is something I feel like. You're not afraid of other people anymore. That is where you're going. If you're not in that phase of your life, you're becoming more confident in yourself. Okay, so let's see what else. I feel like many of you have dreams, a lot of dreams. It's happening. Dream big. Dream. Your dreams will come true. Sure. It's sure. It's a yes from Spirit. Yeah, we have the unicorn. Wow. Look. Yeah, you have a lot of dreams like unicorn. Invite serendipity and invite magic in. As I told you, the magic is within you. Okay, everything is within you. All you need to do is trust yourself, believe in yourself, believe in your creativity, believe that you can do it. Because I feel there are people around you who might discourage you. So it's important that you speak your ideas to only the ones who you trust. Okay, don't talk to someone who discourages you. Don't do that. Okay, maybe they are not doing it intentionally, but somewhere I feel when you talk to this person you get discouraged, and you don't shine your light at that time. When you talk to this person you feel like, oh my god, oh, oh, maybe I'll not be successful. Maybe you have a lot of plans, maybe you know how to you have a plan to create a lot of wealth, maybe you're dreaming to become very successful, maybe you're dreaming to become a millionaire. Okay, maybe you are dreaming, so just keep on following that dream, believe in yourself. Okay, and with this unicorn, it's so pure, you know, it's a high dimensional being, right? So I feel like there is a connection of you know, you're connected to the unicorn, so maybe you can call upon help for unicorns. I feel like maybe you believe in these kind of magical creatures, but I feel you're with fairies, unicorns, so maybe you can call upon them and they will help you. But definitely there is a lot of fortune that is coming your way. That is the thing for money wise. So all you need to do is to stand in your power, believe in yourself, communicate with the people you need to communicate. Maybe for some of you, you have a lot of talents, but at the same time you don't communicate it to other people. Maybe you don't show your work enough. Maybe for some of you it's time to start a page, a YouTube channel or a Instagram page where you can show your talents to other people. When you do that, it will come, and if you are already doing it, it is coming, the success is coming. Okay, so lot of good things, right? A lot of prosperity I see for you guys, lot of like lot of rest, lot of relaxation. While sleeping you're making money, like that kind of passive income, you're finding a way for passive income. That is going to happen for you guys. Okay, like I'm getting this Venus energy, a lot of creativity, a lot of fertility. You're making a connection with your divine feminine. You know when to take action, you know when to relax. Okay, for some of you I even feel like you will be a little bit popular in some field. Maybe in your work area there is a chance of getting popular. Okay, maybe you will wear a dress and people will be like, wow, you look good. Like some sort of popularity is also I'm feeling. Maybe you never thought that you will be like that, but I feel it's coming. Okay, so let's see what else. What magical things are coming for my group number 1 people? We're getting 2 cards again. Birthing, yes, creating. You are, you know, birthing. Like when a woman gets pregnant and when she's delivering a baby, it's not so easy. It's tough. It's a very tough process. Giving birth to a human being is tough. It's painful, right? So I feel like you're going through that growing pains, but when this thing will come out, it will be so beautiful. You will be in love with it. So for some of you, this is going to be the magical moment when you will see your baby. So yeah, you will be feeling very happy. You will be like, yeah, it was worth it. This pain was worth it. You might feel like that. For some of you, literally you're giving birth and it will be very beautiful for you guys. And for others, it's like you're creating something. You're creating a new idea, and when this idea will it will manifest for you guys. It is going to be very beautiful, and you will be like, yeah, thank God I persisted and I didn't give up. I just did it, and you will be so proud of yourself. So keep on moving forward, believe in yourself. Yes, this is a period where you're feeling like things are not moving the way it should. Maybe you're feeling stuck, maybe you feel like you should get this now. Sometimes you feel like that, I've been working so hard, I need to have this now. But sometimes we need to go through that growing pains. We need to understand a lot of things, right? So that's why when it will come, we will be so happy and we will be so grateful. So that is definitely, I feel like for you guys, there is a lot of abundance. Fortune is going to smile on you guys. So whatever you do, you will make money out of it. You will, for some of you will be able to monetize your gifts, like your talents. You will be getting monetized for that. You will be able to make money with it. But your ideas, yeah, right now you are at the first stage, like it is growing, your ideas are growing, it's evolving, you will get, okay, there. Then we have take flight. Yeah, right now I feel like things are not going very fast, things are very slow for you guys, and just take that time, okay, just take that time right now, just relax. Maybe if you're feeling, oh my god, I don't have that much work right now to do, maybe you're in a creative field, you're not getting that much work, things are going to be moving for you guys. At that time you will have no time for other things like playing video games. Maybe right now you have time to play video games, so just take that time, because things are going to take flight. And with this, I feel like this is a beautiful butterfly, so there is a lot of things that are transforming for you guys, a lot of for some of you it's like you're really pregnant and you're feeling that, oh my god, when this baby will come out. But recharge yourself, take rest, because after the baby comes out you will not have time for anything. So that's the thing. So maybe for some of you, your job is like that, where you have the time to rest, maybe you don't have too much work, but take that rest, recharge, because things are going to move forward, then you will have no time. So that is the thing. So you have everything that is inside, so believe in your skills, believe in your talents, and take that rest. If you want to play video games, go ahead, play for some time, because this is needed, because there is a huge transformation that is coming for you guys. Okay, for some of you are becoming mothers, for some of you there is a career change, a new job that will be very that you will enjoy, but at the same time you will have a lot of work to do, so you will not have that much free time. So yeah, there is a lot of transformation that is coming for you guys. So let's see what else for group number 1. Yeah, walking away, and yeah, I told you a lot of learning, like, right? And yes, you're walking away from something that is not good for you guys. You're walking away from someone who is not good for you guys. You're walking away from your own insecurities. Yes, that is what you're doing. I feel like you're loving yourself, you're understanding your own worth, you're understanding that you're intelligent, you're understanding that you're brave, you're understanding your own character. You're developing your character. As I told you, you're understanding yourself on a soul level. You're understanding, maybe people have told you that you're not beautiful, you're not worthy, but you are walking away from that thing, and you're understanding that you're worthy, you're unique, you're different, and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. And you're understanding that you're boss you're a boss lady or boss whatever. I feel like your gender doesn't matter, but I feel like that boss energy is there. You're understanding you are your own boss, you can make things by yourself, and you're like, I don't want these kind of people in my life who are toxic. Like you're ready to get out of that relationship or that environment that is not good for you, maybe your job, whatever, because you're understanding that you have everything that is within. You have that knowledge, you have a lot of knowledge. Interestingly, we have a butterfly here also. So it's like a spiritual transformation. For some of you, it's like walking away from a place, a job, relocation. Definitely for some of you, it's like you're developing your character. I'm getting into this high vibe state where you're believing in yourself. Finally, in the past and all, you haven't believed in yourself. You haven't believed that you will be able to create abundance for yourself. You didn't believe in yourself, but that is what is changing for you guys. You're believing in yourself. You're believing in your intelligence. You're believing that in the knowledge that you have absorbed. I told you you might have been reading a lot of books. So right now you have a lot of knowledge, but what you have to do is to apply this knowledge into your daily life. Maybe you have read a lot of self-help books. Maybe you have whatever area you're learning, maybe English you are learning. You have learned a lot. Now it's the time to apply into your life your skills. You need to apply that skills into your life. For some of you, I even feel like you have this teacher quality where you can give guidance to others. So don't stop yourself, give that guidance. Okay, believe in yourself. So what else for group number 1? What are the magical things coming your way? Yeah, you're not the caterpillar anymore. you're the butterfly. You're going to be the butterfly. So you're getting out of your comfort zone, you're doing things that you haven't done before, you're loving yourself, you're wearing the clothes that you haven't worn before, you're changing your style, you're becoming that boss, you are. So yes, you are taking care of yourself. That's what I feel. And when you take care of yourself, that is when the magic happens, and you will see the magic. Okay, I feel you will be helping people who have gone through that kind of past, where you haven't been encouraged by your parents, maybe you have been discouraged by your parents in your childhood. So you will help other children to have that self-confidence. If you're not feeling that confident right now, you are going to be very, very confident person. Yeah, drop your shields. Yes, protection guardian here. Allow spirit to come. I feel like you need to make that divine connection. Maybe for some of you, you are feeling like that you cannot make it. Like if sometimes we feel now we cannot make it, we will not be able to make it, will not have a connection with spirit, or maybe we will not be able to make our dreams come true. So drop that shield. Maybe you need to be more vulnerable. I feel like maybe you need to show your emotions, maybe you need to speak your truth. Sometimes you don't express yourself. Understand, we have this peacock, right? It's so beautiful, right? So yeah, you are beautiful, you are unique. Okay, so you don't have to compromise on your pride. I'm getting, you don't have to bow down. Sometimes you bow down because you feel like you have to. So drop that shields. Okay, because maybe in the past you had to do that, and you feel like that you have to do this, otherwise people will not accept you. You're so beautiful. You're so you don't even realize how strong you are right now, and you will realize later. I feel this, while you don't realize the magic you are, or you're so magical, everything is inside of you, and you feel like that you are not worthy, but you are. You're the peacock, you're the beautiful peacock. So drop that shields. Let go of that. For some of you, I feel like you have low self-esteem. You need to let go of that. Drop that, okay? Yeah, get out of your comfort zone. Sometimes you feel like that, oh my God, I cannot do this because I'm not worthy, right? For some of you, I even feel like that. You feel like that you're not worthy enough to get that. Sometimes you are afraid to think big because you feel like that you're not worthy enough to get that, because your parents might have told you, or someone has told you, and it got stuck. No, it's not. Okay, so what is the magical things coming for my group number 1? Look, we have star, because yeah, I told you, for some of you going to get get success. We have 3 major arcanas. Interesting. We have temperance, we have world, and we have star. So yes, I feel like we have the rainbows also. So you have gone through a tower moment in your life. You are going through a tower moment where you're realizing your own worth. Maybe for some of you, I feel like universe has been trying to tell you, just get out of the situation, and you were just holding on to that situation. Now universe is coming, and it has now you're going through a tower moment, because it's very essential for your growth, but it's going to give you a lot of happiness in the near future. This maybe for some of you, it's like you're losing your job, or a relationship, or toxic friendship, but this is so important for you guys. Maybe it's like something you thought was you is going off, right? You're becoming a new person again, and this person is going to be very hopeful, very motivating. You will be very balanced. A lot of balance, a lot of harmony is coming. I'm feeling like that. And look, we have this world card. I feel like you're going to be very, very successful, because we have the success. So keep on moving forward. Keep on doing the things that you are interested in. Keep on doing the things that you're passionate about. Keep on learning. You are going to reach a lot of people. That is what I feel like. Your work is going to reach a lot of people. Your work will bring a sense of harmony and peace to other people also, your work, your knowledge. Okay, so yes, there is a lot of victory. I'm getting a lot of victory success for you guys. If you are content creators or whatever you do, I feel like there is victory for some of you. If you want to get into modeling or something, or maybe influencer, something like that, yes, it's possible. Believe in yourself. Drop that shield that you are not beautiful enough to do that. Sometimes we feel like we are beautiful, not beautiful to do that. No, it's not the case. Believe in yourself, and there's a lot of hope coming your way, a lot of magic, like a lot of hope. Look at the rainbows, right? There's so much of rainbows, there's so much of dark colors that is coming your way, lot of different colors. Maybe you felt like that your life is black and white. No, it's not going to be the same. It's going to be full of colors. A lot of hope, lot of hope, lot of hope. Your understanding, for some of you, understanding, you will heal yourself. You are your own healers. I even feel like that for some of you, you are your own therapist. You can be your own therapist. You don't want a therapist. You can motivate yourself, get out of that tower moment. You can heal yourself. For some of you, I even feel like, because this is a general reading, maybe there is someone who will help you heal. But definitely what I feel like, you are your own motivators, and you will motivate other people, and your work is going to reach all over the world. That's something. For some of you, there is a travel option also, because I feel like you're walking away from maybe a spiritual movement in your life, or a physical movement also, it can be. But definitely there is a lot of changes that is happening. You're completing a cycle, like a cycle where you felt like you were not appreciated, where you were not valued. You are not going to be there anymore. Okay, so yeah, so let's see. Yeah, we have contemplation, gaining overview, detached observation, increased understanding, solitude, integration through reflection. So for some of you, I feel like you're going through this period of contemplation. I feel like you're understanding who you are. I told you, character development. Yeah, that is what you are growing. You are developing your character. You're very focused on that. You're changing your behavior. You're understanding what is not good for you, what kind of thinking is not good for you. You're changing your thoughts, and I'm sure you will be successful in that. You're detaching from people. You are in the solitude energy where you're meditating. If you're doing that, you're observing things. You're understanding that you're definitely understanding who you are, what your soul wants, and you're not listening to other people right now. You're listening to your soul. You're making a divine connection, and that is the magical thing. Okay, you're having in this, with this thinking woman also, you're thinking, you're getting in touch with the divine. You're understanding a lot of things, how universe works, how things are. You're understanding what was the pattern that was not good for you, what was the cycle that was not good for you, your behavioral cycle, the behaviors you need to change. You're doing the shadow work, and because of it, you will be very successful in it. So when we do that shadow work, then we know what we are capable of, what is our talents, right? That is what you are doing. You're understanding yourself. You're understanding who you are. You're not worrying about what others have to say now. That is what is shifting. Everything is shifting inside of you, and when things shift inside, the outer changes, right? Your thinking is changing. The way you used to think 1 year before is not the way you think now. That's why maybe you're watching this tarot reading. Maybe you didn't believe in these all things. Maybe if someone said something positive about life, oh my God, what are you saying? I can actually resonate with it, because if this happened, if someone told me that you're worthy and you can do this and all, if someone told me like 2-3 years back, I wouldn't have given, like, I would be like, what are you saying? This is not true. Sometimes we don't believe in ourselves because we are so disconnected to our higher self. We are so disconnected to the spirit, because we believe in other people, what they're telling, what they think about us, because we are just constantly trying to prove who we are. instead we are not working on ourselves, and because of it we don't grow, right? So you maybe for some of you had felt that you're not growing, you're not moving forward in your life, but that is what is shifting for you guys. You're moving forward, you're understanding the magic. I even feel like that you're going to see small miracles that the universe present to you guys. So yes, you're moving away from the habits that were not good for you. You're moving away from procrastination, you're moving away from toxic people, you're moving away from your own thinking. You're moving away from your own thinking that is not good for you guys, your own thoughts that stop you from moving forward in life, and you're believing in yourself, and that is the magic, right? So that's all. Let's see the charms also, because I have taken the charms. If something comes, let's see. So what magical things are coming for my lovelies? I have to say with group number 1, you are the magic. You're doing the shadow work, you're doing that inner work, you're learning, you're growing your talents. I feel like you're working on your talents, your gifts, your skills, you're practicing, you're being disciplined. And yes, all you need to do is drop that shields, connect with spirit, show your vulnerability, express yourself. That is something very important. Okay. If you feel like crying, cry. If you feel like laughing, laugh. Don't suppress anything anymore, okay? You're very protected also. So what is the magical things coming for my group number 1? Okay. Oh, we have a lot. Oh, wow, we have fish. Maybe for some of you are seeing fish in dreams. If that is the case, there is a lot of abundance. Your emotions, you need to get in touch with your emotions. Trust your intuition. That is something. Look, we take flight. We have take flight, and we have an aeroplane here. So definitely there is a movement for you guys. For some of you, I even feel like that out of nowhere you will get an opportunity to travel abroad for studies, for research or something like that. If you're planning, if you're trying for that, that is going to happen for sure. Okay. And yes, definitely there is a gift for you guys. You're understanding your own gifts, you're understanding your own talents, you're respecting yourself more. For some of you, I feel like people will respect you. There is a lot of respect also coming your way, because you are respecting yourself, you are understanding your own gifts, you are respecting yourself. When we respect ourselves, when we love ourselves, when we respect our own capabilities, that is when people look at that, right? Then that is when people also realize, yes, you also have gifts. For some of you, definitely your work is reaching all over the world. Okay, I have to say that. Yeah, you're very, very courageous people. Very, very courageous people. Keep on moving forward. Look, we have the moon, so your intuition is very strong. Take note of that. Your intuitive nudges. Write down. Okay. Yeah, there is a lot of healing family issues. For some of you, you're getting out of this toxic environment. You're not taking the responsibilities that is not yours. Maybe in the past, you had to do certain things that are not your responsibility. Even you used to take so much responsibilities from other people, like you used to say yes to everything. Now you're not saying that. You're changing, you're repairing your life, you're developing your character, you're not taking shit from other people anymore. You're standing up for yourself, you're filling your own cup. Yeah, that is the transformation with this butterfly. Yes, you are transforming. You're not taking that. You know who is good for you, what you need to do. You're not going to allow other people to take you for granted anymore, okay? Because you are becoming the free spirit. You're standing in your power. You have the courage to move forward. You're the hardworking people, but at the same time, you are not going to do something. Maybe for some of you, people might have taken advantage of you, but you're not going to allow that anymore. Yeah, you're becoming a very strong personality. Reading is going to be the main theme for you guys. Learning, reaching a lot of people. Your work is going to reach a lot of people. That is something I feel like, and it will be like a dream come true for you guys. So yeah, maybe you're planning to write a book, or maybe a blog, whatever it is. Maybe through your teachings, you may be reaching a lot of students. So whatever it is. You're very protected, guys, very protected. Meditate if you like meditation. I feel for many of you, you need to get into meditation also with this contemplation card, or maybe you are already doing that. If you're doing that, you're going good, guys. Don't worry about anything. Yes, your intuition, maybe your dreams are also very vivid, so take note on that. Yeah, we have this YT, and I'm getting YouTube. Maybe for some of you want to start that, maybe you're planning to do that, or maybe you already have it. It will grow, guys, slowly but surely. It is going to grow. Don't give up, because you have so much to offer to other people. Understand that you have so much to offer. Okay, you'll just keep this card. You have so much to offer to other people. Understand that. Understand your own value, your own worth. Okay, so we have UC, B, we have an F. These might be your initials. BF, maybe for some of you getting a BF, like a best friend or a boyfriend. Yeah, BFF, interesting. So you are going to meet someone that will be very magical. Maybe BFF, maybe you are going to get someone who will be of your same vibe, who will understand you on a soul level, who you can talk to. You can show all your emotions to this person, and this person will be so magical to you, and you will be very magical to them. So that kind of energy. So definitely there is a best friend for you guys, or maybe you already have this best friend. You can trust this person. So yeah, that's all your message, guys. I hope you liked my reading. So if you liked it, give it a like. Okay, so bye bye, take care. Number 2, if you have chosen this amethyst crystal and mystical wisdom oracle cards, let's see what is your message. What magical things are coming your way? Archangel Gabriel is with you. If you're praying for something, if you pray for if you're praying to your archangels for something, that's happening. Your dreams are coming true. Believe in it. Okay, believe in it. For some of you, you're praying for a child. It will happen. Okay, follow your intuition, follow your bliss. Lot of things are going to be very clear for you guys, and you will feel very magical, because some of your intuitive nudges will come true. So for some of you, you will dream, you will have a prophetic dream. It might come true, and you will be so in, like, you will be feeling very magical, like it will be like such a magical moment for you. Yeah, my dream came true. I saw this last night, and now it's like coming true. Or maybe you saw it 2-3 months before. Now it's coming true. Maybe your dreams are coming true. Maybe your intuition is coming true. For some of you, I feel like that is going to be a very magical moment for you guys, when you will feel like, yes, my intuition is coming true. I thought that happened. So maybe you will get an intuitive nudge that this thing is, like, for example, you will have an intuitive nudge that today I will get this news from this person, or maybe this person will call me and they will call you. Or maybe you felt like that you ordered something and it will come today, and it came today. Like yes, your intuitive nudges are going to be very strong. Your intuition is going to be very strong, and trust your intuition. Always trust your intuition, group number 2, because we have amethyst crystal also. So yeah, definitely it's all about your spirit. I feel like a lot of spiritual growth is happening for you guys, and we have this owl also. I feel a lot of clarity is coming your way, and a lot of answers are coming your way. Lot of answers. Maybe for some of you are questioning your destiny. Maybe some of you are questioning about your path, what you need to do. Everything is coming, and your intuition. All you need to do is to follow your intuition, because that will guide you. And that is the magic. Your intuition is your own magic. You have that. Okay, so trust it. We have this owl. Maybe you are seeing a lot of owls, and if that is the case, yes, owl is your spirit animal. For some of you, lot of truth is coming out. And look at the beautiful butterflies here. So a lot of transformation. Spiritually, you're growing, guys. I feel like spiritually there is a lot of growth happening for you guys. I feel for group number 1 also that was there, but for you guys, you're already advanced. You know who you are. you have done the shadow work. I feel like group number 2 has done the shadow work. Now you understand your intuition more. You always trust your intuition more. Keep on doing that. Believe in your big dreams. I feel this pile has a lot of big dreams. Believe in it. You know that you will make it happen one day, and yes, you will. Okay, so yeah, let's see what else for group number 2. Group number 2. What magical things are coming for group number 2? What magical things are coming for group number 2? I just want one card, Spirit. Thank you. Please, card on the table, Spirit. Card on the table. Card on the table, Spirit. Yeah, we got the card. So, wow, look at it. Physical touch, a tender touch can mean so much. So when this person will come, you will know it intuitively that this is your person. If you're single, this is a message that this one person is coming, and yes, you're going to be loved like this person is kissing this woman, isn't it? So yeah, there is going to be a magical moment where this person will propose to you guys. So yes, you have been feeling that I'll be getting proposed. So if that's the case, yes, you're going to be getting proposed, and this will be so magical for you guys. So yes, there is, if you are in a committed relationship, if you are in a long relationship, definitely there is proposal. I don't want to break the surprise, but definitely this is happening. I guess I feel like that someone is going to propose you very soon. Okay, so yeah, a tender touch can mean so much. For some of you, it's like you're getting if you're single, you're meeting new people, and this person will be very soft hearted person. You're meeting a soft hearted person who will be who will be expressing love. Maybe for some of you, you haven't had that kind of love. This is a very unique love. For some of you, it can be a friend also who will be expressing a lot of love. For some of you, it can be a child that is expressing love, like physical touch. Maybe if you're already married, your partner will be expressing a lot of love. Your spouse will be like giving you so much of attention, like so much of attention, because you're changing. You have done that shadow work. You have changed. For group number 1, it's like they're working on their character. They're building up their character. And for group number 2, it's like you have already done the work. You already know what's best for you guys. You already are in your power. You already trust your intuition, and that is the thing. And because of it, a lot of people are attracted to you. So you're going to attract a lot of people. You're going to be magical. So if you if you go in a room, all the people will be staring at you. That kind of energy I'm feeling. So yes, your partner will be very, very attracted to you guys. A lot of physical touch, a lot of lot of lovely moments will happen in life. Relationship wise, I see a lot of love. You're receiving a lot of love, lot of touch, lot of happiness, because your words matter. Everyone wants to talk to you. That is something I feel like. Everyone wants your attention. Okay, so that is something. Oh my god, that's nice, because you're glowing, guys. You're glowing, and you are transforming. You're having a glow up. So yes, a lot of the magical moment will be, people will be staring at you. If people are staring at, don't think that you are not looking good and all. It's not, because they're just amazed by your energy, because your energy is so high vibe. Okay, your aura is so high vibe. I feel men, not only men, women, whatever gender you are, like everyone will be attracted to you. Men and women both will be attracted to you guys. Like, wow, your dressing up is so nice. So a lot of people will be looking at you because you have a major glow up. That is what I feel. If your marriage was like not so passionate, there is like a fire happening, like both of you are on fire, like there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of love, there's a lot of love making, that kind of energy, guys. I feel like a lot of physical touch, very nice. If you're single, expect a lot of people, you're going to get a lot of people's attention. And always trust your intuition, because you are very intuitive. So you know that who is this person, you will know it. So if when you will meet this person, you will know it, that this is the one. That kind of energy. And I feel like that magical moment is going to happen very soon for you guys. So let's see. Wow, I'm excited for you guys. Let's see. Your relationship wise, there is a lot of growth because you're trusting yourself. You're in your power. You're very independent. You're not afraid to be independent anymore. Maybe in the past that was not the case because you're feeling that you're all tied up. Maybe right now also for some of you, I feel like you feel, what is she saying? This is not happening. I'm just in a situation where I feel very tied up. But you are going to get out of that situation very soon. Very soon. All you need to do is trust in yourself, trust in your dreams, believe in your dreams. Okay, for some of you, I feel like prophetic dreams. I don't know, I feel like you have seen some dreams that might come true. Okay, you're powerful people, understand that. So I just don't want these many cards, so just Spirit give me card the tables. Thank you. Yeah, I told you Archangel Gabriel. Did I tell you? I don't know. Okay, maybe I didn't, but I felt for this pile because we have this blue color also. So if you have been praying, if you pray to your archangels, maybe for some of you Archangel Gabriel is there for you guys. He is assisting you, he is giving you a lot of information. So you have a connection with Archangel Gabriel, your throat chakra. So for many of you, I told you, your voice is very important. You're a very important person. Okay, you are the VIP. I feel like, understand that you are the VIP. For some of you, you are going to become very important person, like you're going to be someone's treasure. That is also I'm getting. So speak up your truth. So in your relationship also, speak up your truth. Okay, so I feel like you're going to express yourself in relationships, and lot of communication, lot of guidance from Archangel Gabriel you're getting. I feel like you're healing your throat chakra. If you're into singing or music, you're healing that part. You're going to so yeah, believe in your dream. So if your dream is to get into this music industry or something like that, if you want to become a musician, believe in yourself, play that music. Or if you want to learn a new musical instrument, go for it. You will be very good at it. So your voice moves people. Your voice is so healing to other people. Sometimes we don't understand that. We will be like, how it can be so healing to other people, but it is. You are healing when you get into, when you go to a room, you heal a lot of people by your energy. That is your magic. Okay, so yeah, you're very good with children also. Okay, you're very good with children. Children are attracted to you guys. Wow, we have Spirit Guardian of Spring activation. Yeah, look, we have stability also. So yes, you're going to be very stable, secure in your life, in your relationship. You're going to be very secure. If you're already married, there is a lot of security for you guys in your relationship. Your home life will be very, very secure. You're very graceful people. Okay, you're very graceful people. You're very beautiful people. I feel like you're understanding your own beauty now only. The way you smile is very beautiful. People are so attracted to you. You guys, you're changing your style. For some of you, I feel like you're changing your style, changing the way you talk and all. I feel like you're becoming more confident because you have been doing that work. For some of you, I felt like you were in the solitude energy. Now you're coming out, you're talking to people, you're meeting new people, you're making friends, you're ready to mingle. That kind of energy, things are activating for you guys. A lot of activation for some of you. Your spiritual gifts, I told you, follow your intuition. Your spiritual gifts are heightened. Your intuition is going to be very, very heightened. And it's about spring. So spring is all about new beginnings, flowers blossoming, right? So yes, you are not going to compare yourself to other people also, because you're understanding that different flowers have different, like rose is not going to compare to jasmine, right? So you are not going to compare. You are understanding that everyone is beautiful in their own way. So you don't have that jealousy. You have done a lot of shadow work, guys, and I'm so proud of you guys. You don't have that ego now. You're letting go of ego. You're letting go of that jealousy, envy you had. Maybe for some of you, you had that. Sometimes we are humans, we all have, but you have been working on it. And spirit is seeing that, and yes, your dreams are becoming a reality, guys. Things are activating for you guys. Okay, this is beautiful. So for some of you just wanted a good relationship, and that's happening. A lot of communication. For some of you, you know, you will be, a lot of people will be messaging you. For some of you, it's like people will be asking for your guidance, because you're going to be heard. Okay, you're valued. You're valued by the people around you. You're going to be supported by the people around you, because you will support them, and in return you will get that support. People will like to spend time with you because your energy is so good. But for some of you, you know, I feel like other people might take your energy, so protect yourself. You're such a magical being. Look at that. Look at that. Moon, take note of intuitive messages. Very intuitive people, getting a lot of intuitive messages. For some of you, I even feel like you're psychics, tarot card readers, Reiki healers. Your hand is magical. If you touch, you can heal people through your words, through your way of expressing yourself. You if your husband or a wife is going through a problem, if they talk to you, they will be feeling so revealed. They will, when they are with you, they are so happy. They are expressing themselves. Maybe they, you know, if you are been with your partner for 10 years, maybe they didn't express you that much. They haven't expressed that much, but now they're expressing, right? They're showing their love to you guys. Because something has shifted in you. You are understanding yourself. You're trusting your intuition. You're following your intuition, and because of it, things are changing for you guys. A lot of changes. So you're very intuitive. A lot of messages are being communicated to you guys, so take note of that messages. Okay, dreams for you guys. For group number 1 also, I told that to keep a journal, dream journal. For you guys, it's important. If you are not doing it, do it, guys. Keep that dream journal and write your dreams, because there are so much messages Spirit is communicating for you guys, like a lot of related to your work, related to your relationships, everything. Spirit is giving you a lot of messages. So for many of you, I feel like your intuition is very, very heightened. Your spiritual gifts are activating. Your clairvoyance abilities are activating, and you have to work with moon phases. When you work with moon phases, your life is going to be so magical. You don't even know how magical your life is. Be excited for your future, guys, because your future looks very, very exciting. Okay, I'm very excited for you guys. I have to say that. You have done so much work. I'm proud of you guys. Let's see. Look, again we have contact. So someone is going to contact you soon. For some of you, it's a commitment coming your way, maybe a contract coming your way, maybe for career wise there is a contact happening, or for some of you we have Archangel Gabriel also, and then contact for some of you is like, if you're singers or something like that, maybe people will want to work with you, collaboration. For some of you, if you're single, people are contacting you, maybe a person you knew is contacting you, your relationship is moving forward. So a lot of contact. For some of you, it's like spirit contacting with you through your dreams. So there is a lot of contact, a lot of messages. Check your emails, take your phone calls. So but more I feel like your intuition. We are talking about intuition. We have moon, we have contact. So spirit is contacting with you. Spirit is giving you a lot of messages. For some of you, you will be the messenger. I feel like maybe you will have to give messages to other people. If that is the case, if you feel like calling someone, just call. Just take note of that. Just trust your intuitive nudges. Okay. Wow. Okay. So let's see what the tarot has to add to this. Group number 2. What magical things. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Sun energy, lot of clarity, no more fogginess, no more confusion, no more feeling like you're tied to a situation. No, you are breaking free from everything. You're free from your thoughts, you're overthinking, you're free from it. You're very clear. You're very, very clear. Look, Seven of Pentacles, the things that you have been waiting for is going to come. You have been working hard on something. If you have been waiting for that, yes, it is coming. It is coming very, very soon. Oh, look, we have Knight of Cups. So definitely, definitely there is a person coming your way. Okay, this person is going to be very, very romantic type of person, very committed energy I'm getting. They will be like trying to get your attention also. So if you have been waiting for that good relationship, oh, when will I get that good relationship, when I will be happy, when I will be happy with this, happy in my love life. If you're single, if you haven't got into a relationship, this is happening pretty like we have this tortoise also, but I feel like you're like, I've been waiting for so long. When this will happen? It's going to happen very soon for you guys. Now it's like things are moving fast for you guys. I feel for some of you, you have that feeling that this person is coming. Yes, it's happening. It's happening. For some of you, this person might contact you. I'm not getting a past energy, but you know, it's like not your ex and all, but maybe for some of you, you knew this person at that time, you were not attracted to this person or something like that is also the case. Okay, and for others of you were feeling like your work, you know, your work is going very slow, things are not moving forward. You have been waiting, you have been like you have been like planting the seeds, you have been nurturing it, you have been watering it, and you're like, why this plant is not growing? I have been giving my 100%. Yes, it's coming. The sun is going to rise. There is a lot of clarity, there is a lot of happiness. You're feeling like childlike again. You're celebrating life. That is something I feel, because you know, sometimes things take time, because you were growing the roots are going to be very strong for you guys, and that's why it took time. Don't worry. You're like the stable energy. We have this tortoise also, like slow but steady progress, slow but stable, like you're going slow, but you're moving forward, you're not going to come back at all. So yes, so that is the magic here. For some of you, you have been waiting for a child to conceive. That is also happening. Okay. But yeah, you're becoming this child, like you're becoming like a child again, who will, children don't stress too much, isn't it? They just play, they just enjoy life, because they know their needs will be met. Because when they want something, you know, if newborns, they cry, they don't they just show that they want, they will cry until they get it, right? So yeah, you are also going to be like that only. You are going to express yourself, you are going to get whatever you want. Believe in yourself. So let's see, what is it, what are the magical things for my group number 2. Okay, that's a lot. I heard progress, a lot of progress, steady movement for you, sorry, steady movement for you guys. Group number 2. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of card. Let's take it, right? Because we have abundance, we have enthusiasm, we have biting through, and obstacles. You know what I feel like? You have gone through a lot of obstacles in your life, and you have stood up for yourself. You have been like, in your career also, there might have been a lot of obstacles, like with the 7 of Pentacles. You have believed in yourself, you have bite through the situation, you have been like, yes, I will do this, even though things are not working in my favor right now, I will give my best, I'm not going to give up, I'm not going to let the discouragement come. You know, you were encouraging yourself even in this obstacles. You know, there will have been a lot of obstacles in your life, you were like, no, I will never give up. In that, you were in that energy, because you believed in spirit, you believed in yourself. And you know what, because of it now what is happening is you're very enthusiastic. You know, you are overcoming all your obstacles. Now you're expressing yourself, you're inspiring yourself, you're very confident. That's why I was telling you, your messages, people need to hear your messages. So don't stop Don't stop. Even though right now you might feel that no one wants to listen to my message, or no one cares about it. No, it's not the case. You're going to inspire a lot of people. You're going to get this positive response from people. The way your communication skills are heightened with the skill Archangel Gabriel. So if you're in this communication field, that is going to be increased for you guys. And look, we have abundance also. So yeah, you're getting in the state of abundance where you will be reaping all your rewards. Your hard work is paying off. You're getting that harvest. There is going to be a lot of things, plenty, everything is going to be in plenty. So the work you're doing, believe in it, because you're magic. And yeah, the love you have been giving, sometimes we feel like that. Look, the back of the deck is prosperity. So yeah, a lot of prosperity, a lot of happiness, a lot of abundance is what is coming your way. You have done so much, guys. So let's add charms also today. So let's see what are the magical things for my lovely. Yeah, we have green shell. Green is all about abundance, prosperity. Yes. Yeah, at the same time, you're making a balance between your mind, body, spirit. You're a very balanced person. You're going to be very balanced. Yeah, of course, you have done lot of shadow work, guys. You have done, and because of it only things are happening for you guys. You have been working with spirit. Okay, yeah, you have been working with moon phases, and yes, your manifestations are coming, guys. You have, I feel like you have done a lot of shadow work. You have let go of the attachment. You have forgiven people. You're doing that work right now. Yes, that's the thing. And of course, we have this butterfly transformation, spiritual progress. You're very protected, guys. With this bear also, I feel like someone is entering your life. Definitely a person who will make you very, very the person will make you very happy. For some of you, maybe for some of you there is a new person coming your way. Maybe it can be a friend, okay, but this person is going to make you very happy. Yeah, we have the gun. You're letting go of the things that are not good for you guys. You're letting go of the despair. That is what I feel. Look, we have the sun again. Yes, you're having a lot of creative ideas. You're inspiring others. You're inspiring yourself. You're motivating to others. You're motivating yourself. You're very clear, and you're shining like a sun, right? You have all the energy in the world to do the work. Okay. Yeah, fairies. We have fairies, 2 fairies. Wow. So yeah, more playful energy is needed in your life right now. If you're very serious right now, if you're not doing that joy, if you're not living life like a child, it's time to do that, because we have this sun energy here. So yeah, and I feel like in the future you're going to be like that only. And we have a heart. Yeah, definitely there is someone coming. If you're single, that's 100%. I feel like if you're in a relationship, I told you there is a proposal happening. But if you're in a toxic relationship, I feel like you're going to get out of it, because I feel like you're not going to be in a toxic relationship because you have done a lot of work. You will never be in that. I feel if you have chosen pile number 2, I feel like that. You know who you are, and you will not be in that environment. You will take action. You will move out because you're so intuitive. We have OU. Maybe this is your initial. This is the clue. We have H, and we have P. Okay. So that's it, my lovelies. Bye bye. Take care. Hello, group number 3. How are you? If you have chosen this Lapis Lazuli and Angels and Ancestors Oracle deck, then this is your message. Let's see what magical things are coming your way. I feel a starseed vibe here. For some of you, I feel your starseeds, your light workers. You're very important, okay? You're very important for the society, for this humanity. You're very important. You're doing great. You're doing the work. Keep on doing it. Speak your truth, okay? Yeah, heart guardian. Love and let yourself be loved. You're someone who believes in love, live and let live. I feel like you're very compassionate to other people. You don't judge other people. and that is what you want from others also, that no the to accept you the way you are, because I feel like you operate from your heart center, you believe in your heart, you believe in your soul, and you just follow your heart. Wherever you go, you just follow your heart. So you are here to do something different, you are here to give messages that your heart guides you to give. Okay. So yeah, you are such a motherly energy, you are here to give that love, support, you're here to help people, you are helping people. I feel like, yeah, I feel when you support other people, people will support you. You are here to help disabled people. That is also something I feel like you're so important to the humanity. Okay, you operate from the heart center, you give so much love, you use out so much love, guys. I can feel that love from you guys. You're so kind, you're so compassionate people, and I feel many of you believe in the present moment, you live in the present moment, you live your life to the fullest. So maybe if you are not at that stage, I feel in the future definitely that is what you're going to be. You're going to be, you are someone who will, I feel like, practice mindfulness. You will be in the present moment. You will not stress too much about life because you will be operating from your heart center. And there is a lot of love that is coming your way. With this love and let yourself be loved. So maybe for some of you, you had this shield around you where you felt like that you will never be loved. So drop that shield, guys, because you're so loved by the divine, you're so loved by everybody, you're loved by the universe. Okay, so don't worry, don't think, just drop that. Maybe for some of you, if you're single, you have this, you just put this mask, and you feel like that you don't deserve to be loved. Is that the case? If that is the case, let that drop. Drop that shield, because you are here to be loved. Okay, understand that. So trust your heart. Whenever you're making a decision, trust your heart. And with this red color also, maybe for some of you need to work on your root chakra. Okay, but yeah, you feel like, for some of you, I feel like you feel like that you are not worthy of love. Maybe the past, because of your past, but that's not the case. You're worthy. You're worthy of divine love. You're worthy of such beautiful love in your life. So drop that shield. Okay, drop that shield. That's the message here. Maybe for some of you, you want to get into a relationship. At the same time, you're so worried and you don't make that first move. It's the time to make that first move. When you make that first move, then only you will see, people. If you don't, look at that, the union of hearts, a love connection defines explanation. So yeah, for some of you, if you're single, definitely there is a connection that is waiting for you to come out of your shell and show your vulnerability to this person. If you haven't met this person, I feel this is you have already connected in the 5D. I feel you will be connecting in the 3D. Okay, there is this union of hearts. This your magical thing is like love, partnership, companionship, a person who you will be able to love. And look at this, because of their love, things are branching out for you guys. There is so much of branching out. There's so much of flowers, there's so many birds, there's so much love, it's such a soul connection. So that is what is coming for you guys. So let yourself be loved. When you love and let yourself be loved, that is when this relationship will happen for you guys. So drop that shield. You need to drop that shield. Maybe for some of you, you have this, I will only love these kind of people. So no, don't do that. Don't make this list, because I feel for many of you, it's like you need to let go of that logical mind and trust your heart in this case. Okay, because this relationship will give you so much happiness. Maybe your parents might not agree with this relationship, maybe society will not agree with this relationship, but this relationship is good for you. This is a very soulmate kind of relationship, like a twin flame like kind of relationship. So there might be oppositions, but believe in this love. I just feel like that there might be opposition for you guys. So don't change your decision because of other people. So if you're already in love with this person, you need to protect this love. You need to believe in this love, okay? Or yeah, you need to believe in this love. This is the love that will make you happy. And I feel like if you're in separation, there is reconciliation happening for you guys. So first you need to let go of that shield. You need to love yourself, and that is when things will happen for you guys, okay? There is reconciliation, there is coming back together. So meeting the one, for some of you single, you're meeting the one who you will have a good relationship. No one can come in between this relationship, okay? So yeah, definitely there is union happening for you guys. So yeah, for some of you, you need to take a chance on love. So for some of you, I feel like you're not taking a chance on love. If you're single, you feel like you're not meant to love, something like that. You need to know that you can love, and you will. You are here to be loved, and you will give the love. You're here for a strong relationship. Look, we have transcending and enlightenment. Yeah, things are going to be very, very clear for you guys about this person. For some of you, I feel like you have gone through a breakup with this person. You will understand why this happened, because it was for your own progress. You need to progress spiritually, and you will be very clear about this thing. Look, with this enlightenment, what is happening is like you're very clear, you're very aware of things. You know who you are. You are spiritually progressing, you're transcending, you're moving, you're high dimensional beings. You operate from the heart center, but sometimes you close your heart center, so you need to work on your heart center. So what is happening in the future is you are moving above all that problems. You're moving forward with your spirituality, with you're believing in divine. You're making a connection with the divine. You're enlightened. Like enlightenment is something, I feel it's like you are very aware of things. You know who you are, what you want from life, and you will understand why the separation happened in the first place, and now you're connecting with this person again. So there is some sort of reconciliation also for some of you, and for others I even feel like that through the spiritual progress, you're progressing spiritually. Through this spiritual progress, you will meet the one, and you will allow yourself to be loved again. Maybe something happened in your past, and because of it you were closed off, but finally you're opening up, you're moving forward. In the case of relationship, that is what I feel like. You have closed your heart, now you're opening up again, and that is the magic. You're understanding the divine is in you. You're trusting divine. I feel for many of you, you had lost the trust. Now again the trust is coming back, okay? So that is the magic, right? You're understanding that divine is with you, and whatever happened in the past, it happened for a reason. You're getting your answers, and you're understanding that sometimes we have to learn lessons. And yeah, you're very soft, gentle people, okay? But you have closed your heart right now. It's time to open up. Your spiritual progress is amazing. You're going to be so aware of universe. You're so aware of the science. You're aware of everything, and you understand that nothing is coincidence. Everything is a message. Wow, your voice. Look. So for some of you, it's like your voice needs to be heard. You need to talk to someone who you feel like talking. You need to communicate your heart's desires to someone. Your voice is going to be recognized. And for some of you, you have been praying something and you felt like the spirit is not listening to your voice. No, it's not the case. Your voice has been recognized by spirit. Spirit is listening to your prayers. They are giving you that what you want. But first you have to close. You have to open your heart, right? You're going to be very aware of this. I feel like in the near future, you are going to open up your heart. You're trusting spirit. The magic, what is it? I feel like you're giving everything to spirit. You're giving everything to divine. You're not trying to control anything or anyone. You're not going to do that in the future, and you're giving everything to the spirit because you're so aware, you're in so touch with the universe, and you're understanding that is what is happening for you guys. You're, yeah, right now I feel like you're controlling your heart, you're not opening up your heart, but in the future you will open your heart and you will understand that your voice is important. You matter, you're understanding you matter. So you are expressing yourself, you're saying your truth, you're not afraid that you will be saying like, I want to marry this person and I'm going to marry this person only. I cannot do this for you. I cannot do something that I'm not happy with, right? For some of you it's like you have this person and your parents are compelling you to marry someone else, or maybe your parents don't like this person, so I feel like you try to make your parents happy by letting go of this person, but you are not happy. So now you are like, I cannot do this anymore. I cannot let go of this person anymore. So you're reconciling with this person, so you're understanding that that is what your parents thinks about. I feel like you have been trying to make everyone happy, in that because of it you are not happy anymore. So you are now like, I want to be happy, I want to open up my heart, so I cannot make everyone happy, and I have to follow my heart. So now you're going to do it, even though it will make other people unhappy. You are not going to worry about it, and you're going to give it to divine, and you're just going to follow your heart. Okay, yeah, I'm getting chills. So something about that. Okay. Oh, I feel like it will take a lot of strength from you guys, but you will do it. A lot of courage and a lot of strength to speak up for yourself. Yeah, community. Yeah, for some of you I feel like your friends will support you in this. Okay, you're not alone. Your friends, your community is there for you guys. So for some of you, you're sharing your voice, you're sharing your problems to a group of people. They are supporting you, they are recognizing you, you are supporting them. So I feel like you're forming a community, small community, where you're sharing your thoughts, your desires, your heart, and this community will understand you. So maybe your parents or your relatives or the people around you are not supportive, but what you think, what your heart wants, you're speaking to this group of people and they are understanding you. Okay. Yeah, so maybe a spiritual community where you're thinking differently from other people. I feel for many of you, you're letting this, you're not thinking about this materialistic gain or something like that. You're not into that because you're very spiritually developed. You're a spiritual being having a human experience, I have to say that. So maybe you're a star seed. I feel like a star seed vibe from you guys, where you're very unique, and you tried your 100% to be accepted by the society, but at the end you cannot do this because this is not making you happy. So you are like letting go of those people who are not supporting you, and you're finding people who will support you. So yes, you are finding a support system. You're sharing your voice with these people. So yeah, that is what is happening, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, so you're getting support system. You're opening up your heart to these people, and you're going to be loved. So let's see what else. Look, we have two aces popping out for you guys. We have Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. New energies, new people, new work area. And we have Two of Cups energy. Definitely we have this soulmate energy for you guys. For some of you, this is a friend that you're meeting with, that you have a solid relationship. I'm going to build a solid relationship with this friend, a soulmate kind of relationship. For some of you, definitely this is a person, your love person. There is a new beginning, new start. You're following your bliss, you're following your passion. For some of you, it's like letting go of a job and following your passion and making money through it. So definitely we have this rabbit is all about abundance. I feel a lot of abundance is happening for you guys. You're not so attached to abundance also, you're not so attached to money also, you're not so attached to materialistic gains also. All you want is to be loved and give love, and that is what you're getting. Okay, so you're not running for money, you're not running for fame, you don't want that all. You want small things in your life. You want love from your partner, you want love from your parents, you want love from society, you want love from your friends. All you want is to be loved, right? And that is what is happening for you guys. Your passion, maybe for some of you, you have a passion to help other people. That is going to that is happening. It's like a new beginning for you guys, new start, where you're opening up your heart center and you're feeling loved and you're going to give the love. Okay, yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so let's see what else for my, yeah, okay, we have one more deck for you guys, last deck. So let's see what else, then we will do charms. Okay, okay, we got this. Yeah, you're the peacock. Raise your standards. Oh my god, you're not understanding how beautiful you are. And look, we have two peacocks over here. Again, I'm getting this love relationship here. So don't so for some of you, I even feel like that you know, your heart knows that there is someone out there who will love you, who will give you that love you deserve. So don't settle in for less. Okay, so if you're single, yeah, there is this person coming your way and you know it. If you haven't met this person right now, this person is coming. So don't for the sake of getting married, don't get married. Okay, don't marry for the sake of other people, because this person is coming. And raise your standards. Don't settle in for less, in whether it's in your career, in your relationship, in your whatever it is. Don't settle in for less, because you are so beautiful, you're so unique, you're so strong. And you know, wherever peacock goes, peacock get attraction, and they know that they are very attractive and they are proud of it, right? The way they the wings, you know, their feathers, the way they dance, it's so beautiful. So you're so beautiful. So raise your standards. Don't settle in for less. Okay, and that is the magic. You're the magic. You're the peacock. You're attractive. You're going to attract a lot of things from the universe. I feel like you're getting in alignment with the universe. You're getting in alignment with the spirit. This is a new life for you guys, where you're feeling worthy, where you are loving yourself, where all you want is love, and that is what you're getting back. Lot of love, spiritual love. For some of you, definitely a relationship. Look, these two peacocks are together. I feel like it's a strong relationship reading for you guys. It's like you're you don't want to become a billionaire or millionaire. All you want to is have a small home where you want to live with your partner happily. Maybe you want to surround yourself with animals or something like that, or maybe good friends, good food, and just enjoy your life, spiritual life. To be, for some of you, I even feel like you love this. You don't like the busy city life. All you want is a quiet place in nature. That is what is happening. Okay, raise your standards. Don't settle in for the less, because you can achieve what you want, what your heart's desire. You know what you desire, you're going to achieve. Okay, so let's we have one more card over here, one more deck. So let's see what is the last message for you guys. I just forgot about this deck for you guys. Okay, let's see what is the last message, and then we'll do charms also. Okay, we got two cards. Yeah, look, the taming power of the small. Yes, I told you now, you are like, you don't want very big things. You don't want big things. All you want is small. You're understanding the power of small things. Small things make it's happy. Because sometimes all you need is love, right? So I'm getting that energy where you only want small things. You're not aiming for big things. All you want is love and to be loved, and that is what is coming for you guys. Yeah, the seeking truth, wisdom, insight, intuitive knowing, return to the spirit, getting to the bottom of things. With this also enlightenment, you are going to be very aware of the energies around you. You're very aware of the people's energies. You're very the aura of people. You can read aura of people also. Something I'm feeling like you have this intuitive knowing. Trust it. Okay, and yes, you're getting in touch with your life purpose. That is also something I feel like you're getting in touch. You're so wise. You know this, what you need to do. You're connecting with spirit. I feel like for some of you, you had this you're not feeling that connected to spirit because you're closed off your heart, but you're opening up. Okay, and yes, Small things matter. Sometimes small things makes us so happy, and that is you are here to you are here to enjoy small things of life. Okay, so let's see what else for my group number 3, the charms. Oh, we got this fish for group number 1 also. Look, let me just have a sip of water. If you're thirsty, please drink water, okay? Okay. So yeah, we had this, your emotions, your intuitive knowing is so cool. I feel for all the 3 piles, this is the case. Intuition is very strong. And you know, things are coming together for you guys. There's going to be plenty. Even though you are aiming for small things, spirit will give you a lot of things. I feel like a lot of peace. Look, a peaceful life, a calming life. Oh yeah, that is what is coming. Look, we have the owl also. Yeah, for group number 2 also there was this owl, and yes, intuitive knowing. So maybe my the people who are watching my videos are very intuitive people. Okay, so yeah, let go of the attachment. Open up your heart. Look, we have flowers, happiness. Yeah, all you're going to find happiness in small things. Small things. Yeah, we have, you got 2. Look, this came 2 times, turtle and tortoise, and then we have 2 times. Like maybe you're aiming for this, you're aiming for this, and you're getting this big. That you're aiming for a small thing, but you're getting extra. Like you ordered a small pizza, you're getting an extra large pizza, something like that. And that will be very magical. Yeah, you're going to win the race. Slow but steady wins the race, isn't it? So go with the flow. Yeah, look, we have infinity. So a lot of infinite possibilities, a lot of growth for you guys, a lot of new beginnings are happening for you guys. Look, again, we have the small soulmate relationship thing, 2 hearts, right? So yeah, we have the initials. A lot of initials came out for you guys. A lot of letters. Q, U, K. We have X, release your past. That's important. U, C, U and D. Again, C. Okay, C. Again, we have a C. Yeah, we have 3 C's. Oh my God. C, U. We have U1. Okay, we have 2 U also. And then maybe this is and we have a X, 2X. Okay, we have a Z. So these might be initials that might give you a clue. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Group number 3. Bye bye. Take care.